In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh formulas in Google Sheets. If your sheet looks frozen, maybe a total isn't changing or today's date is stuck, don't restart your computer. There are quick, reliable ways to wake everything up so your data and results are current. Let's start with the fastest fix for a single stubborn formula. Click the cell that isn't updating, delete the last character in the formula or value, and press Enter. That tiny edit forces Google Sheets to recalculate that specific cell. It's like giving that formula a little nudge to pay attention to the latest inputs. If you accidentally remove something important, just use Undo to roll back. This is perfect when one cell looks off, but the rest of your sheet is behaving as expected. Now, if you're using time-sensitive functions like Today or Now, you can make them refresh themselves automatically. Open the File menu, choose Settings, then go to the Calculation tab. Change the recalculation setting from On Change to On Change and every minute. This tells Google Sheets to check and update those volatile functions regularly, even if you're not actively editing. It's especially helpful for dashboards, timestamp-driven sheets, or anything that should reflect the current date and time without manual intervention. Keep in mind, this affects how often Sheets recalculates, so it's best used when you truly need that up-to-the-minute accuracy. If you've tried the quick cell refresh and the recalculation setting, but things still look stale, do a full browser reload. Press F5 or use your browser's refresh button to reload the entire spreadsheet. This clears the view, repulls data, and reprocesses formulas across every cell. It's a simple move that often resolves hiccups caused by cached content, long-running sessions, or external data that needs another pass to arrive. To recap the approach, nudge one cell by deleting the last character and pressing Enter for a quick recalculation. Set automatic updates for Today and Now. In File, Settings, Calculation when you need ongoing time-based accuracy, and refresh the browser to reload everything if all else fails. With these tools, you can keep your spreadsheets responsive and your numbers trustworthy, without wasting time rebooting your machine or rewriting formulas. Never work with stale data again. Follow for more Google Sheets basics.